This is a butternut squash seed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this seed and I'm going to leave it here. Right there, and I'm going to cover it. Alright, and I'll come back on maybe in 4 days time. I'll come back and look at it. Alright guys, so 4 days after I set this seed, let's take a look at what's going on with this seed now. Is it start germinating? Is there any progress of what's going on? Okay, so all right, okay guys, so this is the process of the butternut squash. I set this seed, and 4 days after, this is the look. As you can see before it push out the leaf, it already start developing the root system. So what's gonna start happening, it's gonna keep spreading the root, and while it keeps spreading the root and the root keep feeding the plant, this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna turn out looking just like this. But right now the root system is developing, and now we're waiting on the leaf to open up just like these. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.